Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Herceg, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm gonna give you guys a 4th of July inspired container. So these containers will be flanking the front of my garden, and so I wanted to sort of celebrate 4th of July with a little inspired container look, because I know over the years multiple gardeners have done Christmas inspired looks, Veterans Day inspired looks, New Year's, so it's time for me to hop on and do a 4th of July inspired container. So before anything, I want to give a huge shout out to Black Diamond Crape Myrtles for sending us 2 Lavender Lace Crape Myrtles for us to try out this year. Their media links are down below for you guys to check them out, so make sure to go ahead and check them out. They did provide 2 of the plants for today's project today. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So to my gardeners, that's gonna be it. I am very happy of the outcome on how it came out. If you guys see me keep wiping my face, it's because I'm sweating badly. It's very hot and humidic out here. But I was able to pull it through. Everything came out super pretty. I absolutely love it. Once again, a huge shout out to Black Diamond Crape Myrtles slash JB Nursery for sending these amazing plants out. They came in amazingly. Some of them are starting to flower, and so I'm very happy on how it came out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Leave me any comment down below, whether it be a video suggestion, what you thought on today's video, any project you want me to see, any tutorials, anything like that. Please feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.